out this evening to pay your respects to National Panasonic. You'll be glad to hear that it's been great with its last meal and an order of service.
Oh, no dinner for Martin next week.
So in the future, if someone wants to pick it up, then hopefully they'd understand, obviously, that it had some relevance in our lives. It's June dumplings.
So when you see Martin digging a hole,
Would you like to see the last meal?
No. Give it its last ding.
Don't touch it. They don't ding.
It does ding. Dad, make it ding.
Microwave meal.
No.
Dad, make it ding. Go like that. No, the other one. Other one.
Still alive.
Make it ding like dun 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 dun. That's not it's just about to be left. Yeah.
Right, now, bow your head for prayer. Bless this microwave and commend it to the garden so its waves can always be with us.
Amen.
Amen.
Now I'd just like to share with you a few memories of the microwave. National Panasonic started his life with me about March 1982, having been purchased from the Nappy at Coltnose Air Station. His first kitchen home was at Carncar near Falmouth, where he then cooked many a meal, having come complete with the new microwave cookbook for beginners.
How do you know it's a he?
Yeah. The colour.
It's the way it hangs.
Hey, that's enough. Come on.
Sorry.
No, don't arrogate it.
She then moved to a place called Kaiview on the Lizard Peninsula. His life here was mainly reheating of foods and the occasional new wave recipe found on the back of magazines.
New wave.
In
Good
fact,
time.
some of his time here was spent sterilising bottles for homebrew kits. His next home was not too far away on the Lizard again. Here, his main job was reheating of dog food, mainly corn. It was there he sustained an injury of a scratch to his throat. Eventually, he moved right away to his present home here in Stallbridge in 1988. Since being here, he has helped in the raising of 2 children by warming their milk and various delicious foods. He's always been the life and soul of many a party, taking an important role in heating up the various dishes, mainly chili con carne.
Oh, yeah.
2 years ago was his 25th birthday party, where other old appliances from friends' kitchens joined him in the celebration and all had a good time. His invaluable help at Christmas time will be greatly missed. Thus, this is always a busy time for me, and he worked hard to make it a joy for the merry people. Unfortunately, of late, he has battled for a long time with a broken arterial arm. But his faithful service to the family and me will be remembered forever.
Oh,
Get a full shot of this one. What? Do you want me to play it now?
I think we should play the music as yes.
You have to be quiet, because otherwise...
Yeah, we do have to be quiet, we're going to hear it.
Okay.
Oh, we won't do that again.
Shh, shh. Listen to the music.
Dave?
Do you want to hold it? Wait.
What do you think maybe it's? Can we have a minute? With a rock beat. Roll away. Is that it? I don't know.
I'll stop it for you now.
Can we have a short hymn now? Can we have a short hymn now? Yes. I'd like us to sing There Is a Green Hill Far Away. Alright?
Right. Do you know that?
No. There is a green hill far away. Okay.
Where there be a green field.
There is a green hill far away without a city wall. Where our dear Lord was crucified, He died to save us all. 2, 3, 4. He died to save us all. He died to save us all. For He's a jolly good fellow. For He's a jolly good fellow. For He's a jolly good fellow. He died to save us all. Right.
Right. If anybody would like to throw some bullets,
For rocks.
Throw some meatballs out or something.
Have a good meaty afterlife.
I'll miss you.
Is that raw mint?
Do you want to throw some in there? Look at Lauren. I'm sure you'll all be healthier without it.
Billy's after that meal.
Bye-bye,
There's a packed dinner in there, son.
That's what it meant.
In there.
It's food in there. You'll be digging that up later, won't you?
You'll be digging up next year.
If you'd all like to come into the kitchen now, I'll refresh you.
Oh, God.
Hey.